Hey guys, what is up? My name is Jericho Kean, and today we are back here with episode 2 of our Blumaan Discovery Kit review. Today's episode we're going to be taking a look at Hybrid Cream Clay. Hybrid Cream Clay is a light to medium hold with a matte finish. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I use this product. Not only am I going to be using this product as a post styler, but I'm also going to be using Hybrid as a pre-styler because I've heard that it works pretty well as a pre-styler too. So we're going to try it out. And let's get right into it. First, we're going to start off with damp towel dried hair. Then I'm going to take some Groovy stimulating hair oil and 2 drops in my hand and break it down, and then mix it all throughout my hair into the roots. Next, we're going to take a little scoop of Hybrid Cream Clay as our pre-styler today. Just going to break it down in my hands a little bit and start applying to the back of the hair, making my way towards the front. And next, we move on to the blow drying. And then I kind of started using the brush in my hand more just to, mess it up a little bit. Then I'm just going to take a little bit more Hybrid on my finger and apply it the same way as last time, starting in the back, making my way towards the front. This time, just kind of comb it around with my hands, and then a little bit with the brush at the end to kind of top it off. And here is the finished hairstyle with Hybrid as pre and post styler. Hey guys, I'm back, and this is a finished hairstyle. So what do I think of Hybrid? Hybrid is pretty good. I'm actually kind of surprised with this one. I'm not gonna lie. When it said light to medium hold, I wasn't expecting it to work that well in my hair, but it's holding up really well. This is my first time using the product. I've had it in for a little bit, and it's still holding up pretty well. I not only did I use Hybrid as the post styler, but I also used it as the pre-styler. Hybrid is really good for creating volume because it's a clay. It kind of helps build up the texture in your hair to help keep it up high, but it's not a heavy hold, so it's not as heavy on your hair to weigh it down as much. So it's actually giving you some pretty good volume. And mind you, I have like 6 inches of hair right now, and I'm getting probably a good 3 inches of volume here, which is more than I've gotten in a while with any product that I've used. I kind of try to go for a little bit of a quiff or a pompadour. Today, what would I rate Hybrid by Blumaan? I'm gonna give it a 9. I'm gonna give it a 9 gold blooms out of 10 gold blooms. Hybrid is a really good product. I really like it. I will definitely be using this more often, going for the high voluminous hairstyles. It was easy to break down through my hands. It wasn't really too sticky that I remember. It was a little bit sticky, probably not as sticky as Monarch was, but still a little sticky. But that's good because it's working. I kind of like to feel it working in my hair, and Hybrid you can definitely feel it working in your hair, especially as pre-styler. You can definitely notice it a little bit more than original actually doing something in your hair, which is really nice. So it's definitely working really well. It is a matte finish product, which I really like. I really like that natural matte look in hair products. Anyways guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. That was Hybrid Cream Clay. Now next week we're going to be covering Cavalier Heavy Clay, so definitely if you're not already subscribed, turn on that notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload the next episode and any other videos that I make. Make sure to be you, be awesome, stay groovy. Jericho Kean, out. Hey guys, my name is Jericho Kean, and you just watched my video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more.